Hi, this is Stephanie Rambles. I'm Stephanie Shackelford, a cozy fantasy author. And as I said in my last post, this is part two of problem solving. I have an old, well, it's 2008 Matrix right here that has a moonroof that I have always loved. I was told when I got it, I got it used and cheap, so I would have still gotten it, even if I had known that it was going to leak. I was told that you'd always have problems with it. I've had it for at least 6 years, maybe longer, and not had any problems until recently. And it started leaking, but it was weird. At first, I wasn't sure where it was coming from. I thought it was the door. I thought I'd left the window open or something, but it was coming from up here. Right. Oops. Let's see. Right here. It was just dripping. And depending on how heavy the rain was that we had, it would drip more. I would drive and pull, stop, and it was like it was sloshing and flowing into through through this through this crack. Right. Ah, I'm trying through this crack right here. Although the wet spots were here, but it would drip on me through this crack. And I got really frustrated trying to figure out where it's coming from. I had left my moon roof open at one point. Oops, that's the wrong way. I had left my moon roof open at one point, but I didn't think that was, I mean, and I thought maybe that, actually, I did at first think that maybe that was the problem. But what was actually the problem that I discovered when I got up here and looked, actually, I didn't realize it at first. It took a lot, but there is in this track, and let's see if you see, yeah, in this track, right there. I can't get my arm right in there. There's a hole. But there was this track and there was water in it. There was not water on this side, but there was water on that side. And so I wet back the back, the water out of the car, and I cleaned this out, and it was still leaking. Okay, so then I thought maybe it was. I realized when I was standing on the side that this trough right here did not have did not have some weather stripping or molding or whatever it would be called on that it had on the passenger side. So I decided to go buy that and I was going to put it in. But then I also got online and read and then listened to YouTube and found out about the drainage hole, that maybe that was plugged. And I'm like, drainage hole? What had happened is it had gotten filled up, probably that time I accidentally left it open one night and didn't realize it. It hadn't rained, but leaves and stuff had gotten into it, which I thought I'd cleaned out, but obviously I hadn't. Anyway, it had gotten clogged up. So I tried to clean it out, and that didn't quite work. But the next time it rained really bad, my my back seat was filled up with water. I mean, it was at least a knuckle length filled with water. And hope I didn't make you dizzy. I try to remember when I moved the camera to move slowly, but didn't think of it that time. Anyway, I so I borrowed went back again and vacuumed it out, and then I decided to actually try vacuuming that that drain hole on both sides. And so I got one of those edge tools and I put it there and just let it suck for a few, well, not a few minutes, probably 30 seconds or a minute, but for a while. And then I thought, okay, well, let's see what happens the next time it rains. Well, it has been raining almost nonstop. There've been little breaks in the weather, like right now. It's not raining, but not a whole lot. It has been deluge rain. It is, and so I came out yesterday to test it to see if it was working, and it was fine. And then we had a whole bunch more rain last night, and today it's fine. No leaks. And I am so proud that I am a level 5 problem solver. Do you remember? Did I say that at the very beginning? Did I remind you of the part 1 post where I said, oh, it may be a level 4 problem, but I'm a level 5 problem solver. And I tell myself that when I have a problem to solve. So this level 4 problem got solved by this level 5 problem solver. And I'm quite proud of myself. And I hope this encourages you the next time you have something that you need to handle, figure out, solve, whatever it is, that you remember that it might be a level 4 problem, but you can be a level 5 problem solver. Stephanie is going to ramble away now. Bye.